I got my S550 here, 2023, and we have Alec S650 2024. He's got one pipe, but look how thick that thing is. His Insta. He's running the Nitos, the G2s, and I'm running the R2s on mine. Mustang pull up, and he's got the welds on.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Just got it.
Whipple?
Yeah, Brian.
Oh, dang. What's up, man? It's cool if I record your car?
Yeah, go ahead. Exhaust right there.
Dang.
Yeah, the 5-inch
Look at this
exhaust
one.
tips. Oh, huge, huh?
Yo, this is nice. Carbon fiber up here too. Handle, by the way, if you guys, he just pulled up. Look at the wheels on this thing. Gosh.
Does it like whine a lot or what?
Supercharged.
Or like driving.
Yeah,
Look,
you gotta
just a
hit
bit.
it, you know, especially with these, when you put these on, the open air boxes, it winds a lot more.
Oh yeah. So if you got pulled over right now, you'd be fucked, right?
Not really, this is carb illegal.
This is carb legal?
Yeah.
What? Dang.
I gotta get this done.
But stage 2 voids the warranty. You know.
It's got an X pipe right now.
Oh, you did? Okay. Is that your white one?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at this. This guy just pulled up too.
I might kick it with him.
Yeah.
We always see crazy shit on the way while he's recording.
Oh yeah.
Like,
You guys didn't know? It says it all right there, supercharged. Dude, look at those wheels. That is nuts.
Damn, those tips are like, I'm just looking at those tips right now, man. You know, like this shit's big. No, it has no mufflers.
oh yeah.
So it's just all like pipes. Damn, this is sick.
Got the Director, Max GT. Side by side. White 2024, iconic silver 2023, red with white stripes. Alright guys, so first it was just me and Alec with this white S650 Mustang, and we were just chilling. We were gonna take some photos, and Max GT, that guy just came out of nowhere. Oh, look at this SS, it's nice. Wow. Well, anyways, he said he's pushing about 600, 700 horsepower, but damn. So we're gonna do a little pull right now. It's supercharged right here. We got Alec S650. Yo, it's crazy. Staying behind us. They're probably gonna smoke me, I'm not gonna lie. Supercharged. Man, that thing is crazy, bro. And we got Alec S650. Oh! Dang! Those rides are sweet. This thing is sick. I can see Alec's face. Yo, Alex got like the biggest smile right now. That is crazy. Yo, if you guys hear this supercharger in person, it sounds freaking nuts. God. No, look at those wheels, dude. Oh, hey, have a go, man. Dude, we just met that guy too. Dude, inside with the windows up, those things, it still sounds like a monster. Gosh. Other guy ended up taking off, the supercharged one, and then Alex got to take off, and then I got to kind of go too. So I just wanted to do a little bit of content for you guys. 3 Mustangs side by side, like just, I don't know, man. I can't describe it, but I can't tell you guys, but man, if you guys were here in person and you guys were to hear these cars go, dang.